On this video today, I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, because I'm going to show you one of the countries that you can get offers with higher payout. And I'll also be showing you a website that you can use to get free traffic so that you can get a lot of conversions. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of different CPA marketing networks that you can join. In this case, I'm using CPA Group. So once you create your accounts and log in on CPA Group, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you have to select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find offers to promote. You can see there are a lot of different offers on CPA Group that you can promote. So just select any offer that you want and then promote it. In this case, the traffic source that we are going to be using, most of the visitors are from Spain. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to search for offers that are allowed in Spain so that we can promote them using the website that I'm about to show you. To search for Spain, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, country. Once you're here, click right here. Once you click on it, you can scroll and then search for any country that you want. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different countries that you can select. In this case, we are searching for Spain. So type Spain here. Once you type it, you can see it. Click on it. Once you search for Spain, you're going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people who live in Spain. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. What you have to do is that you have to search for offers that have higher payout. You can see, for example, this offer you're going to be earning $8.21 per every lead that you get. This one you're going to be earning $1.02 per every lead that you get, and the rest. So you have to scroll and then select an offer that has a higher payout so that when you get a conversion, you can be earning a lot of money. You can see this offer, the payout is $10.27. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every lead that you get. You can see many of them. As I scroll, you can see this one here, you're going to be earning $12.83 per every lead that you get. There are many offers with higher payout that are allowed in Spain. So just search through and then find the best offer that you can promote. You can see this offer right here, the payout is $17.11. That is the amount that you are going to be earning per every lead that you get. You can see all the offers, the language is in Spanish, so you can translate them to understand what the offers are about. To translate the language, just right click. Once you right click, what you have to do is that you have to select Translate to English. Once that is done, you can see all the offers has been translated to English. You can see you can now understand everything about the offers. This offer, for example, you can see play the best games. So when you promote it, your potential visitors are going to get access to a game and you are going to be paid this amount, $17.11. You can scroll down and select any offer that you want. You can see a whole lot of different offers. As I scroll, you can see many offers that you can promote. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer because the payout is very high, and the best part is that the requirement is very easy. So it is easy for our potential visitors to get access to the offer so that we can get paid. Just click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see this is the description of the offer. You can see this is an image of the offer, and you can see the payout right here. If you want, you can click right here so that you can select a new domain. If you don't want the first one, you can select any domain that you want. You can see they have a lot of them. Just select the one that you want. Once you have selected the domain, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Spain to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that they can get access to the best games, and you are going to be paid $17.11. You can use free traffic source or you can use paid traffic source. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to get people who live in Spain to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is yalwa.es. I don't know how to pronounce it well, but I think that is the best way to pronounce it. Yalwa.es. This website is a classified website that is based in Spain, and the best part is that you can post your ads for free without paying for anything. They have a lot of different categories that you can post your ads for free. All that you need to do is that you have to register for an account. Once you register for an account, you can be able to create a free ad on the platform without paying for anything. I will leave a link in the description so that you can click on it and then create your free account so that you can post your ads. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to begin posting your ads. If you don't understand the language, you can translate everything. All that you need to do is that just click right here. Once you click on it, select English so that every information on the website will be translated to English. You can see that has been done. All the information on the website has been translated to English, so you can be able to read and understand. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, advertise your company. Once you click on it, you'll be able to advertise your affiliate link without paying for anything. So click on it. Once you click on advertise your company, you're going to see a page like this. You can see these are categories that you can post your ad for free. You can see the categories. So any category that you want, you can click on it and then advertise your affiliate link. You can see a whole lot of them. So any of them that you want, you can select it. If you want, you can select computer and internet. Once you click on it, they will show you subcategories. You can see these are the subcategories under computing and internet. So any of them that you want, you can select it and then post your ad. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want entertainment and lifestyle, when you click on it, you can see the different subcategories under entertainment and lifestyles. You can see a whole lot of them. So select the one that is related to the offer that you are promoting. In this case, the offer that you are promoting is a game. So click on shopping. Once you click on shopping, you can see subcategories under shopping. So select the right subcategory that is related to the product that you are promoting. In this case, it is a gaming offer. You can see toys and games. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see they have games, toys, video games. In this case, it is a video game, so select video game. Once you select video game, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, the next step is that you are going to enter your company name. So just enter the company name and then a description. So enter any brief information about the offer. In this case, I've entered this as my company name, so you can just enter anything that you want. Once that is done, you're going to enter the description of the offer. So you can go back on CPA Grip and then get a description of the offer so that you can paste it right here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy all this information. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see company logo. So you can upload the image of the offer here, or if you want, you can design a simple logo and then upload it here. In this case, I'm going to be using the offer image. To get an image of the offer, come back on CPA Grip, right click on the offer image. Once that is done, select save images so that you can save an image of the offer. Once you click on that, click on save. Once you save the image, you are going to click right here so that you can upload the offer image. Just click on it and then select the image. Once that is done, click on open so that the image can be uploaded. You can see the image has been uploaded. You can upload up to 20 images. You can see it right here. You can upload up to 20 images. So if you want, you can keep on uploading different images of the offer. Once that is done, you can see website. You have to enter your affiliate link right here. So you have to go back on CPA Grip so that you can copy and paste your affiliate link right here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you're going to click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, if you want, you can enter your phone number right here. You can see fax number. So if you want to enter your phone number, you can do that. Just enter your phone number right here. But in this case, I'm not going to enter any phone number, so just leave it. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see your address, street or intersection. You can see postal code, city and province. So you have to enter an address. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to enter a fake address. So just come on Google and then search for fake address in Spain. Once you click on it, you can see a lot of different websites that you can click on to get a fake address in Spain. I'm going to click on the first one, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are fake addresses. You can see the fake addresses. So just use any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to be using this one. So just highlight and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back, paste the city here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see postal code. You have to go back on your address and then copy the postal code. You can see this is the postal code. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see city, province. So you have to enter the city here. Just come back. Once you come back, you can see this is the city. Highlight and copy it. Highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. If you want to save this information for your future ads, you can click right here, save address for future ads. Once that is done, you can preview your ad. So click on preview so that you can see how your ad will look like. So just preview it. You can see this is how your ad is going to look like. Let me scroll down for you to see. you can see everything about your ad. You can see it. So now what you have to do is that you have to go back to editor. So click on editor and then keep on editing. So if you want to edit any information that you have entered, you can do that, but in this case everything is okay. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go ahead and then post the ad. So click right here, publish ad. Once you click on publish, you're going to see a page like this. You can see increase the visibility of your ad and increase the number of visits up to 10 times. If you want the premium options, you can select that. You can see they have premium options that you can select, but in this case I'm not going to select any of them. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to go ahead and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Let me translate it for you to see. So when you click on English, you can see your company's advertisement has been received successfully. After being reviewed and approved by our customer service team, you will receive a message informing you that your ad has been published. So they are going to review it. Once they review it, your ad is going to go live onto the platform, and you are going to be getting people who will click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that they can get access to a game, and you are going to be paid $17.11. They don't need to buy anything. All that they need to do is that you have to enter the information that is required so that they can get access to the best games, and you are going to be paid. So make sure you publish a lot of different ads onto the platform so that you can get many people to click on your link. There are many offers with higher payout that are allowed in Spain. So go back on CPA group, select an offer, come back and then post it onto the website. Post as many as you can so that you can get a lot of conversions. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.